We're here at the Port of Invergordon, Scotland, and as you can see, we're in the process of offloading and storing vessels behind me. These tanks were made by our sister company, Rika, who are based in Belgium, and they've been working closely alongside with Briggs to facilitate this project.
The project requirements are a fantastic opportunity for ourselves to work with partners such as Briggs, producing projects that will enhance not just Invergordon but the Highlands in general.
The vessels have been at the Port of Invergordon for a few weeks now. We're installing the last 8 today. We're using 2 cranes to do a top and tail operation, and we're using a man in a man basket to disconnect the slings. With this sort of lift, it's very susceptible to wind, and we've had a lot of wind conditions in Invergordon. The next steps are to put the platforms up, to scaffold everything out, then we can start the installation of the equipment, and there's quite a lot of modifications inside the existing blend centre, so commissioning it'll be some point into next year.